What if your sunglasses could secretly record your adventures in first-person view, capture photos with a single click, connect to your phone over Wi-Fi, and fit comfortably in your pocket? Today, we're reviewing the OnePlus Mini 4K FPV Eyeglasses, a lightweight wearable camera designed for travel, cycling, daily vlogging, and hands-free recording. But is this tiny gadget actually worth your money?
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Caring Guy. If you love smart gadgets, wearable cameras, drones, and honest tech reviews, make sure you subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Now let's take a closer look at these compact FPV cameras. The first thing you'll notice is just how compact these glasses are. Unlike bulky action cameras, everything is built directly into the frame. The camera is almost invisible at first glance, making the glasses look clean and modern. The entire unit weighs only about 21 grams, making it extremely lightweight for long periods of use. Whether you're walking, traveling, riding a bike, hiking, or recording daily activities, they remain comfortable throughout the day. A small 0.96-inch IPS color display is built into the glass. The camera is capable of recording up to 2.7K video at 30 frames per second, with additional recording options including 1080p at 30 FPS, 720p at 30 FPS. Video is stored in MP4 format using H.2.64 compression, helping save storage space while maintaining good image quality. For photos, the camera supports resolutions up to 12 megapixels. The 110-degree wide-angle lens captures more of the scene without excessive distortion, making it suitable for travel, cycling, walking, daily vlogs, meetings, outdoor adventures. The glasses also support audio recording through a built-in microphone. One of the most useful features is built-in Wi-Fi. Using the RoadCam app, you can connect the glasses directly to your smartphone. From the app, you can preview live footage, transfer videos, download photos, change settings, manage recordings. This makes sharing videos much easier without removing the memory card every time. The glasses support MicroSD cards up to 128 gigabytes. That gives plenty of room for videos and photos before needing to transfer files. Loop recording is also available with selectable lengths of 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. This is especially useful if you're using the glasses as a driving recorder or continuous action camera. Inside is a built-in 250 mAh lithium battery. According to the manufacturer, you can expect around 1 hour of continuous recording. Charging is handled through the modern USB Type-C port. If you're planning longer recording sessions, carrying a small power bank can be a practical solution. These camera glasses work well for many everyday situations. Perfect for cycling, motorcycle riding, walking tours, travel vlogging, fishing, hiking, students recording lectures where permitted, first-person content creation, camping, daily activities. The biggest advantage is hands-free recording from your own perspective. Additional features include built-in Wi-Fi, photo capture, video recording, audio recording, voice prompts, IPS color screen, automatic white balance, automatic exposure, automatic ISO, H.264 video compression, Type-C charging, compact, lightweight design. Here's what I liked. Extremely lightweight, comfortable to wear, 2.7K video recording, 12 megapixel photo support, built-in Wi-Fi, smartphone app control, Type-C charging, supports 128 gigabyte microSD cards, loop recording, first-person recording without holding a camera. There are also a few limitations. Despite some marketing references to 4K, the listed maximum video recording specification is 2.7K at 2.7K 30 frames per second. Battery life is approximately 1 hour, so extended recording requires recharging.
These glasses are best suited for casual, everyday recording, rather than... Overall, the OnePlus Mini FPV eyeglasses offer an interesting combination of wearable technology, portability, and convenience. If you're looking for a lightweight first-person camera for travel, outdoor activities, cycling, or everyday recording, these glasses provide a practical solution without carrying a separate action camera. The Wi-Fi connectivity, smartphone app, and built-in display make them easier to use than many older wearable cameras.
So, would you wear camera glasses like these for your daily adventures? Or would you rather use an action camera? Tell us your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart gadgets, drones, wearable technology, and honest product reviews here on Caring Guy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.